So you can put a GoPro on so many things. I mean, you can use an FPV drone. You can just have a really long selfie stick, you know, and just record like that if you want it. But I don't have either of those. But what I do have is this air cannon right here, which I made. See, this is where I need a long selfie stick. I have this air cannon right here. This thing, which I made in the DIY project video, you can actually check out on my YouTube channel. But the idea is to stick the GoPro inside the end of this barrel. And of course, this GoPro does not fit inside the end of the air cannon, so it's gonna require some modifications. I found this piece of PVC in my backyard. Really dirty, but that's okay. Here's the GoPro. Look at that. Right there. It's gonna shoot out of this. Now, of course, I wanna protect this with something, so I'm gonna make a 3D print that goes around this that looks like a dart. Yeah, I know it looks completely terrible right now, but I still need to protect the rest of it here, so there we go.
Home Depot.
These puppies right here, it's called the reducer because it reduces things, you know what I mean? It makes it smaller. So, and this pipe right here, which the GoPro is gonna be inside, is much larger than the air cannon. So we got this, here's a clean end, boom, get this, boom. Look at that, uber ultra long cannon. Boom, that's right, that's what we got. Now, thinking it might be a good idea to shrink this down a little bit. This GoPro right here needs a means of conveying it through the air cannon and through the air, so you don't just shoot it and it goes all over the place. So here's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna get a dart, something like that. So as it moves through the air, it's gonna have fins which keep it level. That's the idea. This is the first design right here, and I just realized I don't think I wanna shoot the GoPro face first into whatever object we're flying towards. So I figured, why don't we turn the GoPro around so it looks down the barrel of the air cannon, got shot backwards, and we just reverse the clip if we want. At least the lens is not gonna be going who knows how fast towards some sort of object, which could be a rock. So we're gonna put it backwards. So I had to redesign it. How many tries did it take? Not one, not two, 3 tries. Now I gotta go ahead and take out that support piece that's right in there so the camera can fit inside. Let's go! The moment of truth. Oh shoot. How is this off? It doesn't fit. So, I took all the pieces out and the GoPro does not fit. Not quite there. So I'm gonna see if I can sand down the edge and just get rid of the little lip. Maybe it'll go in, then we'll try that. Okay. I've managed to get it in. It did break off this little corner piece, and it cracked it here, and it cracked there. But besides that, hey, it's in. Oh, you know what? I don't actually know how I'm gonna get this back out, so I can turn it on. That way I can actually hit record. Yeah, that's a good point. I don't know how to get it out, and I don't really want to stick a screwdriver underneath because, like right in there, because it's got the screen on the other side. Little did I know. Well, yeah. I don't want to damage the screens. No good. No good. I just cracked the screen on my GoPro. Well, isn't that ironic? Yeah. Put a screwdriver on the edge. That was fine. Then I tried getting some pliers and trying to just hold only the rubber part and push it up. And I cracked the screen. I still got to get it out. And once I do, we'll just launch it, and then I just broke off, luckily not another part of the GoPro, but the piece that covered the on and off switch. So now, well, the GoPro's still in there, and it's actually, it's stuck in there, kind of. Hey, it turned on, look at that. I'm gonna stick it in the cannon. We're gonna launch it. Let's go. And this is supposed to just fit in there. Oh my gosh, come on, this has gotta fit. Seriously? Seriously? Why? No, this is ridiculous. All right, well, because the GoPro is shoved in here, it stretched out a little bit. And it doesn't want to fit in this piece of PVC now. And I'm just gonna have to sit here and sand away. And just keep sanding and sanding until I can get it down to the right level.
Let me tell him one time, I've been on the grind, this is my prime. Huh, let me tell. Oh yeah. I've been on the grind, and this is my prime. Yeah, sorry for the wait. Didn't think I'd come up, y'all just need a little faith.
I'm gonna try and shoot it just straight. 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 Yeah, about like that. Hey, by the way, you like the t-shirt? 3, 2, 1, action. All right, should be recording, hopefully. Let's set the camera down. Here we go. Here we go. Three, 2, 1, launch! Well, that did not work very well. No, not at all. There we go. Instead of shooting it this direction, which I kind of wanted to protect the GoPro, since this is dirt that we're shooting towards and there's minimal sticks and branches, since there's minimal amount, I'm gonna try and shoot it this direction and see if maybe it goes straight then. Let's try that. All right, here we go. Round 2. Well, that might have looked cool for a second. Should it go as far as I want? No. So we got to go back, air up the compressor again, and then sort of trim down the sides of this dart because it's not particularly fitting well inside of the air can. It's rubbing on the edges, and that's no good. So 1, 3, 2, 1. Hey, look at that. It survived. All right, I got it in now again, and we're gonna see if I can shoot it up through the trees and hopefully it comes back down. Well, really, you wouldn't be able to do this with the drone easily because of all the leaves and whatnot. So let's see what this looks like. Launch! Didn't exactly go as planned. It hit the leaves and it came back down. Now I want to see if I can shoot through the deep grass and see what that looks like. I mean, that might be cool. So let's try that. Hey, it's you again. Okay, so, whoa. I'm out in the wilderness here. Come on, there's huge blood-sucking mosquitoes. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here, you know, they really suck. All right, so the air cannon works all right. It's not bad. Now, here's the thing. I think really I need a bigger air cannon, something with a lot more power to launch that thing, or a smaller camera, because this air cannon is pretty powerful if you put something small in it. But for some reason, with this thing, it's just a little bit too heavy, and also it rubs on the side a little bit, but that's not much really. If you enjoyed this kind of content, let me know in the comments. I mean, there's a lot of mosquitoes out here, really. But shooting through some of those trees looked pretty cool, and I would not do that with my drone, that's for sure, not at all. And all said and done, I can see how it could work better, and yeah, hopefully this video does what I hope it does, because I might have to get a new GoPro screen. So the lens is all messed up as well. So yeah, that's that. But what you can do to help though is you can subscribe, and you can also share this video with your friends. And if you want, you can just click on one of my videos and just like let it play, you know? I gotta get my watch time hours up. So you can just let it play while you sleep, while you're eating dinner, just let the video play, you know what I mean? I got a long playlist actually of all my go-kart videos. You could even just watch that and let that play, you know, just let it play out, you know what I mean?
It'd be pretty great if you just started doing that, because I really got to get my watch time hours up. If I get my watch time hours up, that's even better, because I can keep doing more stuff like this. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to let me know in the comments. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll get my watch time hours up by letting my videos play while you sleep on your laptop, or put it on mute, whatever you gotta do. All right, see you guys in the next one.